My secret to healthy skin is simple. Forever Aloe Propolis Crème, deeply moisturizing and nourishing.
I've been using Aloe Propolis Crème for a while now, and let me tell you, it's a game changer. This stuff combines the soothing power of aloe vera with the natural benefits of propolis, which is like nature's own antibiotic. It's perfect for moisturizing dry skin, and I love how it absorbs quickly without that greasy feel. What's really cool is that it's great for minor cuts and burns too. I've had a few kitchen mishaps, and a little dab of this crème works wonders. Plus, it's packed with vitamins and antioxidants, so it's not just a quick fix, it's actually nourishing my skin. I even use it on my face sometimes, especially during the winter when my skin gets super dry. It's like a little hug for my skin. If you're looking for something versatile and effective, Aloe Propolis Crème is definitely worth a try. You won't regret it.